This week on Dateline Schools, it's the holiday season, and we're trying to get some tips to help keep this a fun but healthy holiday season. As we talked with Chris Czubachowski, she's the Communicable Disease Coordinator for the St. Clair County Health Department, with all the tips. And yesterday at the end of the program, we're talking about where parents and kids can get their flu shots if they haven't gotten them already. I know another place we can possibly get them too is at the Teen Health Center at Port Huron High School, can't we?
That's right. You can make an appointment there and schedule. They see clients there Monday through Friday.
What are the ages of kids that can go there and get their shots and any other medical needs that they may have?
Teen Health Center sees kids from the age of 10 up to their 22nd birthday.
I know in the news lately we've been hearing a lot about the Measles outbreak in other parts of the country. Also has some concerns with this polio-type virus that's been coming up, especially out in the East Coast. Is that anything of concern here in our St. Clair County area?
Well, as far as measles, we have not had any measles cases here in our county. However, the state of Michigan, we've had 15 cases, which is quite a large number. It's the highest number we've seen since polio was considered eliminated in 2000. So these cases, when we do research and investigation, we find that they are, the source is travelers that are unvaccinated going to countries that still have issues with measles, and then they bring it back with them.
So what can our parents do to prevent anything like that, especially for kids who are in school and maybe playing sports, and so they're mingling with other kids from not only around St. Clair County, but around the whole southeast Michigan area? The
best thing to do would be to vaccinate. Measles is highly contagious. For instance, if we had somebody here in the room with us that had measles, and then they left, their viral particles are suspended in the air for 2 hours. So 9 out of 10 people that are not vaccinated that come into the room would contract measles. It's that contagious.
Probably they're more contagious before they even realize they have the measles, aren't they?
They could be, yeah.
A couple years ago, whooping cough was another concern we had, especially here in St. Clair County. Have enough adults gotten revaccinated for that to help eradicate some of that issue?
Well, that's an ongoing issue, and we still encourage the Tdap vaccine for any adult that shares the air with infants and small children, because they are not fully vaccinated yet for protection. So we always encourage that to help prevent the spread of whooping cough.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.